Southwestern Chicken Skillet on the Green Mountain Grill. Man, this is spicy good. This is how we did it. Our ingredients for the Southwestern Chicken Skillet. Did anyone say bacon? Spray your skillet with a good cooking spray. We like to use duck fat because it adds another layer of flavor in there. Line your skillet with bacon as you see here. We used 3 pounds of thick cut pepper bacon and it was good. Lay down a layer of your chicken breast, then season and sauce, and then do it all over again. Do a layer of the garlic, onions, and peppers and start all over again with the chicken and just keep building. Fold the bacon over the top, season it, and you're ready for the grill. 30 minutes in, looking really good. Using our smoke tube for that kiss of smoke. About an hour in now with that kiss of smoke. Check out our temperature here. Boy, I love these Mavericks. They sure make it easy. Sauce it now with the Country Bob's Honey Habanero. Just brush it on and then let it brown. An hour and a half with that kiss of smoke from our amazing tube. Just let the sauce brown off now and you're ready to go. And a half on the grill here, 350 degrees. Green Mountain's apple pellets. Looking good, smelling good. Nice kiss of smoke with our amazing tube smoker. Oh, we're ready to go. Looking good, smelling good. Let's eat. Tell me this doesn't look good.